You may at one point ask someone to send you or to share with you a document, and they end up sending something like this, or this, or this, or that. Welcome, and let us see how we can do it better next time. Our first step is to download and launch Dropbox app. And also note, you might be required to sign in using your email address. We get to a page like this. You press the plus sign and you'll find scan document. And now we can go ahead and scan our first page. The good thing with this app is that it auto detects the edges of the document, so it will give you a clean page. You can edit the image to suit your preferences. You can also adjust the edges if they are not properly done. And once you are satisfied, you can add a new page. You can add more pages as you like. Then you can rearrange the pages to the way that you want them, like that. And finally, we preview our scan. Before that, we need to save it. And you save after you save it, now you can be able to see how your scan looks like. Now this is how it looks like. Now it is a better document that can be shared even for official purpose or anywhere that you want to share your document. So thank you for watching. You may subscribe for more. Thank you.